In this video, we're going to be going over target area number 8 in your downloadable PDF, which is your chest. This is the final video in our series, and I want to thank you for staying with us, learning how to use your body, and learning how to use your mobility tools a little bit deeper in depth. Now, your chest is a very big, thick muscle. It has two large parts that come in here as well. You get the big bundles that attach underneath the anterior shoulder, coming all the way and attaching into the sternum. For this one, you're pretty open on which tool you want to use, or which tool you could use. The foam roller has that broad surface, which is nice. The mobility ball, the mobility sphere is excellent for digging in deep and pinpointing. We like to use this one against the wall. The mobility pin will also work, and so will the mobility ball. For these purposes, we'll just use the foam roller just to show you. We'll switch it up and use the sphere afterwards. So as we do with all of our mobilization, we do our three things. We slow pressure roll, we rotate, and then we pin and stretch. So for the chest, what I can do is I can angle face down. If you remember back to when we did our adductors, same kind of thing. I'm going to angle this out just slightly, and then I'm going to get my chest directly on the pressure. And we can do a nice slow pressure roll as we go. And as we start getting out towards the shoulder, that's when things can get pretty tight. So I'm going to hang out there. And now I'm going to rotate. If you can see how I'm rotating my body down and up, nice and gentle, massaging out any trigger points that you have. While I'm hanging out here, I'm going to get some motion going. We're going to rotate now. We're getting that pinning and stretching, full range of motion. I'm going to go all the way up with the 2, adding pressure the whole time, and then moving on out to a new area. Let me angle this here so you can see. Right now I'm on the chest. Since the front shoulder works with the chest, you might find yourself rolling onto that as well. Not a bad thing at all. In fact, our front shoulders could use a lot of mobilization. But we're going to keep it on the chest here and rotate that way as well. Now we can switch this up, use our ball. For the fellas, what we want to do is we want to hit that sternum right on in here. Nice and easy, slow roll as we go on out, east and west, kind of going with the grain. Now for the ladies, what you're really going to want to do is hang out a little bit higher, but still get that sternum, because all this attaches in here, and this gets neglected a lot of times. You can take your sphere or get your mobility ball or lacrosse ball, hang tight on here, go nice and slow all the way out to the shoulder, and get your rotation and pinning and stretching. You're going to want to spend about 1 minute on each pec and get this whole area open. This, along with the lats from the last video, will give the shoulder a nice place to start from and restore that range of motion. If you have any questions, contact us on the website, comment below, or subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.